This year, one Nebraska medicine doctor says he hopes the hospital system will be able to provide a new Alzheimer's drug. It's called Leqembi. It was approved by the FDA last month.
It's specifically for Alzheimer's, but it's important to note it's not a cure. It's meant to keep people in the mild stage of the disease longer.
KETV News Watch 7's Abby Peterson explains why it's more important now to get diagnosed early.
Joe Payne says his brother's life has consisted of a lot of baseball.
Played at Creighton and coached at Millard South for 20 plus years, won a state championship.
The now 76-year-old Tony Payne was still active, giving baseball lessons, but they never anticipated this curveball. 3 years ago, they noticed a change.
He would student teach too and wasn't, staying in the classrooms and things, and that's when we kind of realized there was something going on.
Tony was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, a disease that's different for everyone. For Tony, it started with memory loss. For Sharon Stevens' dad, the changes started with driving.
I can remember a time that he left a sporting event and couldn't find his car.
Stevens has been the executive director for the Alzheimer's Association Nebraska chapter for 7 years. Although she says Alzheimer's is a disease with no survivors, just like Payne, she's prayed for some answers.
The options really have been nothing or zero.
In the past, she says there has been progress made in other areas of the disease, but not in treatment. Until now.
This is the most exciting time we've had in a decade or more.
It's called Leqembi.
This is the first drug that targets the underlying changes in the brain, the pathology, and we think will slow down the progression of the disease.
Dr. Merman says like any other drug, there are side effects. It's given as an IV infusion every 2 weeks. For families who wish time could stand still, this news is incredible.
You just want time with the people while they still, can enjoy and remember what's going on.
If I could get back a year, I could get back 2 years with my dad. That's what everyone wants.
But an early diagnosis has never been more important. It's a requirement for Leqembi.
This medicine is only for people in the very mildest stages of Alzheimer's disease. So we call it mild cognitive impairment, but that would be a stage where people have memory loss, but they're still quite independent in their activities.
Stevens says there are 35 to 36,000 people in Nebraska living with the disease. And she knows the drug won't help her dad, but hopes it helps some of them.
But there has to be this glimmer, there has to be a first step, and that's what this drug is. And this drug will start and just kind of open the pipeline for us for the next drug and the next drug.
Payne mirrors Stevens' comments, and he's hoping researchers can hit it out of the park with this one.
We can only hope. So I know that they're working hard, and there's a lot of great, doctors working hard on this all over the world.
In Omaha, Abby Peterson, KETV News Watch 7.